You are going to love the 2022 X6. The X6 Sports Activity Coupe has broken all barriers and found itself in a class all of its own. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, M Sport Package. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.